Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video I want us to respond to, or rather to explain example 1 in number 10. Which of these numbers are rational and which are irrational? Give reasons for your answers. Now, we have had or understood in the previous slides that rational numbers are the ones that terminate if you are writing them in decimals, or are the ones which are recurring decimals because they can be expressed as fractions, or they are the ones who whole numbers are also rational, but irrational numbers are the ones which cannot be written as fractions and they do not terminate when you write them as decimals. So with that information, let us talk about part 1. 2 can actually be written as 2 over 1, which is a fraction, and this is rational. This is a rational number. What about part 2, 0.789? This one can actually be written as a fraction in terms of 789 out of 1000. And because it can be written as a fraction, then it is a rational number. This is rational. That is rational. What about part 3? What about part 3? 0.67 recurring decimals. These are recurring decimals, and all recurring decimals can actually be written as fractions. If you evaluate this as a fraction, it will give you 67 out of 99, and this is now a rational number. Remember, all recurring decimals can be expressed as fractions, and that means all recurring decimals are rational numbers. Part 4, we have root 2 times root 2. The root of 2 times the root of 2 is actually equals to 2, because the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is the same as writing as 2 raised to power a half times 2 raised to power a half, which is 2 raised to power a half plus a half, which is 2 raised to power 1, which is 2. 2 is a whole number. It is the same as part 1, which is 2 over 1, and therefore this is also a rational number. Rational number. What about part 5? Root 2 plus root 2. This is root 2 plus root 2, as we have indicated here. This is 2 root 2. If we take root 2 to be an orange plus another orange, we have 2 oranges. And because root 2 itself is irrational, that means 2 root 2 can never terminate. Because let me show you what I mean. What is the square root of 2, so to speak, in decimal form? It is 1 point, as you can see, 1.4142135662. The number is not terminating. It is going towards the end of the screen of the calculator, and it can go further. At the same time, as you can see, it does not recur. There are no recurring numbers. That means root 2 itself is irrational. And if root 2 itself is irrational, then 2 root 2 is actually irrational. Is irrational number. This is irrational. Root 2 plus root 2 is irrational number. And that is it. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.